Well, hello MTV. Coming up to the first question, name, age, and phone number. Hi all, my name is Varun Srikanth, better known as MC Varun out here at Bangalore. I'm 26 years old, and this is my phone number for all the girls out there. No, just kidding. It's 9845 Well, I am a software engineer by force. Well, my parents wanted me to have a degree in my name, but here I am running a events company in Bangalore. Yes, I am an event manager based out of Bangalore, and I MC shows as well, and a part-time DJ. These are my passions and interests. And something about yourself, characteristic traits. Well, to give it to you in short and sweet, I am a fun-loving person. I love hanging around with like-minded people. I'm adventurous. I'm good company to hang out with, and I love traveling and I love meeting new people. Hobbies and interests. Well, me as a person, I like traveling. I like to meet new people. I have a whole collection of old bikes and jeeps, so obviously I like to ride. I like to travel. And passionate about most. Well, my passion is events. That's the whole reason why I gave up my software engineering profession. I was placed in two of the biggest companies in Bangalore, but that just didn't interest me. The 9 to 5 job, that's just not me. So I wanted to do something. I wanted to follow my passion. And since college, I wanted to own something. And the sense of ownership was given to me through events. So I am an event manager. And I love doing events. Giving something, your own idea, and seeing the whole event conceptualized. And that's the whole reason I want to take part in this show, because here, right here in Bangalore, I am the captain of the ship, and I want to take ownership of Captain Morgan's show as well there in Goa, and I want to be the captain. That's how I've been all my life. Training or coaching for anything? Well, not really. This is just me 100% pure. But I was part of NCC, National Cadet Corps Air Wing, for 5 years. And well, I was the best flyer in 2002. I took part in the Republic Day camp in Delhi. 5 years, I finished all my certificates. That's where all the adventure probably comes in from. Do I like TV or movies? Well, when I do find time, I do catch up on TV. Usually I'm held up with work. Movies, yes, because of the girlfriend and their friends, I am forced to go to movies. But yeah, I wouldn't say I don't go to movies, but any good movie, regional or international, I make it a point that I do catch them. Aim in life, be successful. I just want to be successful in whatever I do, or rather give it the best shot. Give the best and leave the rest. That's what I believe in. One thing you want to do at least once in your life, well, being the guy that I am, the dream that I always had, I want to drive a Ford Mustang. Either I want to drive a Ford Mustang, I want to own a Ford Mustang, or I want to fly a fighter jet. These are my two dreams in life. One thing, well, that is done. And yes, if you are stuck alone in an island, what would you do? Well, if I was stuck alone in an island, I would first go see the island, I would go explore the island, and probably build a boat and come back to civilization, because I don't want to be stuck on an island forever unless I have company. The craziest thing that I've ever done, well, for these many years I thought I was hydrophobic, and this happened like 6 months back when I was in Andamans for my birthdays. I went scuba diving, and trust me, that was one experience, out of the life experience. For an hour I was underwater, and that just took off all the fear that I had of water, and now I can proudly say I'm no longer hydrophobic. That's just one of the few crazy things that I have done. Describe yourself in a line. Well, to describe myself, I would just say, live life to the fullest, because you don't get to live twice. Do whatever it is you have to do. Live in no fear. Just go out courageously and do whatever you love to do. That's all. And why do you want to take part in the show? For me, it is a challenge. For me, this is a new challenge that's come up in my life, and I want to see if I can live up to the challenge. And hell yeah, I can. I want to see if I can live up to this challenge, if I can run the place, and if I am good enough. This is the next challenge that's come up my way, and I am one who never backs down from any challenge in life. So let's just see how it all goes. And yes, why do you want to take part in the show? As I just told you, the next question, how will you promote the place? Well, as I told you already, I am an event manager here, and I have done club shows, and I know how to run a show, how to do this. This is what I do for a living here. And meeting new people and running a place has always been a passion for me. I actually wanted to open up a restaurant of mine in Bangalore, which I'm sure I will in the next 5 years or 10 years, or no matter how long it takes. I want to open up a restaurant, and this is something that is on similar lines. And running an event is part and parcel for me. meeting new people, getting things done. I am the captain of my boat already here in Bangalore. So I want to change sails. Let me see if I can be the captain in Goa. It's a nice challenge. Have you ever been to Goa? Hell yeah. Since my college days, my dad has always been taking me to Goa, and every vacation of ours is in Goa. And for me, Goa is just freedom. The sun and sea, the beach and the booze, the freedom. Goa is just pure, or at least it was, apart from November and December when it's crowded, but otherwise, Goa is just heaven on earth. Goa is just pure indulgence for me. And if you get to live in Goa, would you do that? Well, of course, yes, I would die to do it. And let's see, keeping my fingers crossed. This is me, MC Varun, signing off from Bangalore. Hope to see you all at MTV in Goa real soon. Till then, peace out, love,